It's game one of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal.
It was a long, tough season, and from here, it only gets tougher.
This series features the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Colorado Avalanche. Jerome McGinley takes possession of the puck. Boomshiman gets the shot off. And out they come with a puck. Johnson scoops up the loose puck. Hartnell gets pushed. Jerome McGinley gets hold of the puck. Hartnell dumps it. Corralled by Columbus. Offside. The faceoff goes to Columbus. That's offside. Holden takes possession of the puck. Savard. Columbus scoops it up. Saad gets shoved. Colorado dumps the puck in. Scooped up by Columbus. Saad returns it. Winberg with a wrist shot. Picked up by Columbus. Mitchell. Columbus grabs it. Matias rifles the shot. Colorado jumps on it. Savard. Grabbed by Colorado. They dump it in. Savard takes possession. Atkinson. Columbus takes control. Atkinson. Varlamov stoned him. Brings it out.
Line two.
Dubinsky gets the loose puck. Atkinson. Offside. Columbus in control now. Wrist shot, stone cold by Bobrovsky. Skilly with the puck. Bobrovsky made the pad save. Bedker pushes. Carlson moved ahead. Bedker finds the loose puck. McKinnon.
Line one. Line one. You're out.
Zadorov finds it. Out over the blue line. And it's icing against Colorado. Duchesne jumps on the loose puck. Murray touches up for the icing call. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Dubinsky won the face-off. Hartnell with a wrist shot. Atkinson scores!
I love it when players roll up their sleeves and get gritty goals. It shows real determination. A loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goal.
Atkinson scoops up the loose puck. He dumps it in on the end boards. Columbus scooped it up. Shooting has it. Varlamov gets the blocker on it. Varlamov freezes the puck. They're getting ready for the face-off. Jones shoots quickly. Varlamov gets a pad on it. Holden with the puck. Out over the blue line. Brings it in. Fires it. Bobrovsky gets a leg on it. Brings it out. Through center. Columbus puts its third line out. Murray jumps on the loose puck. Murray ripped it. Stoned by Varlamov. Saab grabs the puck. Icing is called against Colorado. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Duchesne takes control of the puck. Dubinsky. Columbus picked it up. He nails McGinley. Dubinsky jumps on the loose puck. Landeskog.
Line two.
The Avalanche dump it. Colorado got it.
Last minute of play in the first.
Bedker. Wrist shot from the slot. Bobrovsky turned the shot aside. Pass back. Bobrovsky picks off the puck. Skilly fires it.
Silent auction. All items can be viewed and bid on at a display beside guest services. All proceeds go to Hockey Fights Cancer.
Welcome back to what's been a close game so far.
Let's see if the second period can shake things up a bit.
Moved up. Moved ahead. Foligno gets rubbed off the puck. Grigorenko. McLeod steals the pass. Jones. Centered. Johnson gets the loose puck. Grigorenko over the blue line. Wrist shot. Bobrovsky stones him cold. Bosherman takes control of the puck. Leg save by Bobrovsky.
That was off the pads.
Colorado needs to get a fresh line out there. Nick Foligno dumps the puck in. Bosherman gobbles it up. He shoves. Foligno passed ahead. Jerome McGinley moved up. Backhand. Bobrovsky stabs at it. 1-2. Bedker takes possession of the puck. Barry. With a wrist shot, Bobrovsky gets a pad on it. Bedker with the puck. Skilly, wrist shot, saved by Bobrovsky. Quick pass up. Played up. Right in front, shoots it. Dubinsky shoots the puck, scores!
Hey, they better check the puck for cracks after that slapper.
No doubt. Good thing it didn't hit the goalie. Might have knocked him into the net as well. So how do they erase the 2-goal deficit?
All they need is one to shift the momentum. They do that, and the second will be a lot easier. Played back.
And Edkinson.
Out over the blue line. Hartnell jumps on the loose puck. Edkinson got it.
Line 3!
Como with a wrist shot. Colorado picked it up. Bobrovsky gets a leg on it.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Moved ahead, advances the puck. Dubinsky, wrist shot. Rings it out. Hartnell takes control of the puck. In over the line. Winberg scoops up the loose puck. Dubinsky. Winberg. He gets shoved.
He finishes the check and looks to get back in the play.
Bobrovsky corrals the puck. Grabbed by Columbus. Winberg. He dumps it in. Carlson has it. Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. Carlson with the puck. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle.
Underprivileged children
About to drop the puck.
opportunity to see their heroes.
Campbell wins the draw.
For kids watching
Grigorenko takes control of the puck. Columbus touches up for icing. They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Blue Jackets. Passed ahead. Culver fired it. He scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
The faceoff goes to Columbus. Moved ahead.
assisted by
Shoots the puck. Murray.
Johnson.
Colorado scoops it up. Along the boards, Matthias. Quick pass up. Iginla. He dumps the puck in. Columbus gets a hold of it. Clarkson. Sod takes it. Campbell grabbed it. He dumps it. Colorado has it now. He takes it back. Moved up. Iginla jumps on the loose puck. Matthias fires. Landeskog gets it. Landeskog gets laid out. Hartnell with the puck out over the blue line. Centered to Eric Johnson. Gets hold of the puck. Iginla cranks it. Bobrovsky stoned him.
A variety of local restaurants offer a 20% discount with the presentation of your ticket stub when ordering. Be sure to check it out.
The third period is about to begin.
The defense needs to tighten up if they want to get back in this battle.
McKinnon won the faceoff. Croft gets the loose puck. Bork gets checked.
He'll keep his eyes open now.
Berry finds the loose puck for the howitzer. Bork gets in the way. Quick pass up. Calder gets bumped off the puck. Colorado takes possession. Gets the shot off. Carlson. He dumps it in on the end boards. McKinnon gets the pass from Varlamov. Moved up. McKinnon scoops up the loose puck. Jerome Iginla. He's in control now. Shoots! Blocked! Shoots! Bobrovsky turned the shot aside.
What a save off the blocker.
Hartnell gets pushed off the puck. Colorado takes control. Johnson shoots it quickly. Offside, Colorado. The faceoff goes to Columbus. Played across.
So, that's how you leave an impression.
Gets the shot off. Passed ahead. Through center. Saad gets checked. Columbus dumps the puck in. Columbus jumps on it. Saad. Johnson gobbles it up. Offside. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Dubinsky scooped it up. With a wrist shot blocked. Johnson jumps on the loose puck. Duchesne. Itkinson. Colorado grabbed it. Duchesne. Johnson pushes him.
That was a gritty hit, Jim.
Duchesne finds the loose puck. Landeskog shooting. Ahead to the neutral zone. Oshman knocks him off the puck. Columbus finds it. Jones, Columbus has it. Iginla. Columbus scooped it up. Nick Foligno. Clarkson now has it. Bedker scoops it up. He gets pushed. He gets hold of the puck. We're on the verge of a scrap, Craig.
They look like they want to go, Jim.
They were trying, but neither man really got the upper hand.
Yeah, I think that one's a draw.
The action's about to start. Soderberg wins the draw. Knocks the puck loose. He gets in the way. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Over the line. In all alone. Fires it. Scores.
The goalie's got to be worried now, Jim. He's given up some bad goals. He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. The faceoff goes to Columbus. Moved up.
Saab assisted.
Working along the perimeter. Bork gets checked. Shoots the puck. Saved by Varlamov. Rene Bork takes possession of the puck. It's definitely been a team effort on defense.
I think the goalie's been good, but he's definitely had some help.
Moved ahead. Como. Grigorenko scoops up the loose puck. Blocked. Culver gets crushed. Grigorenko takes control of the puck.
Line one! Line one!
Como. Into the attacking zone. Dubinsky. Played across. Iginla with the puck.
Line two!
Jenner. Out over the blue line. He hasn't faced a huge number of shots.
Jim, but the ones he has faced, he's looked good on.
Brings it out. Moved up. McKinnon, backhand shot. Bobrovsky made the pad save. Murray jumps on the loose puck. Clarkson, he takes control of the puck. Jenner with a chance to score. In front. McKinnon knocked him off the puck. He jumps on it. McKinnon, hard one-timer. Nick Foligno. And they get called for icing. The puck is about to be dropped. Iginla takes control of the puck. Duchesne. Colorado grabbed it. Landeskog. Corralled by Colorado. Shoots it. Columbus grabs it. Hartnell. Wrist shot. The door is shut by Varlamov. Shoots quickly.
Tonight's third star, Columbus number 17, Brandon Dubinsky. Tonight's second star for Columbus, number 13, Cam Atkinson.
From Denver, Colorado, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
From all the team here at EA Sports, we'll see you next time.